Hi, boys and girls. Today's story is Way Up High in a Tall Green Tree, written by Jan Peck and illustrated by Valeria Petroni. Way up high in a tall green tree, I'm climbing to the tippy top to see what I can see. I'm so brave, can't scare me, way up high in a tall green tree. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy an ocelot napping by me. Hello, ocelot. Lots of spots, ocelot. See you later, ocelot. Climb away. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy a kinkakoo swinging by me. Hello, kinkakoo. Loop-de-loop, kinkakoo. I see you later, kinkakoo. Climb away. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy a sloth, hokey pokey by me. Hello, hairy sloth. Slow-mo, hairy sloth. See you later, hairy sloth. Climb away. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy a boa who wants to hug me. Hello, boa. Squeeze, please, boa. See you later, boa. Climb away. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy a parrot chatting with me. Hello, parrot. Yakety yak, parrot. See you later, parrot. Climb away. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy a gecko hiding by me. Hello, gecko. Hide and seek, gecko. See you later, gecko. Climb away. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy a bat topsy-turvy by me. Hello, little bat. Wake up, little bat. See you later, little bat. Climb away. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy a tree frog winking at me. Hello, tree frog. Googly eye, tree frog. See you later, tree frog. Climb away. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy a butterfly floating by me. Hello, butterfly. Touch the sky, butterfly. See you later, butterfly. Climb away. Way up high in a tall green tree, I spy a moon smiling down upon me. Nighty-night, moon. Nighty-night, butterfly. Nighty-night, tree frog. Nighty-night, little bat. Nighty-night, gecko. Nighty-night, parrot. Nighty-night, boa. Nighty-night, hairy sloth. Nighty-night, cuckoo. Nighty-night, ocelot. Down, down from the tall green tree, I find Daddy waiting for me. Hello, Daddy. Guess what, Daddy? I climbed to the top of a tall green tree. The end. Hi, boys and girls. After we read our book, Way Up High in the Tall Green Tree, we are going to be making a snake. These are the materials we're going to be needing. We need some adhesive tape. We need a marker. We need a pencil. We need a ruler. We need a pair of children's scissors. And we need 3 different construction paper so that we can make our snake. We have a small piece of red for our tongue. And we have 2 different colors to make our snake body. I'm going to start with our brown. We're going to take our ruler. Remember, boys and girls, if you can't do this, get a grown-up to help you. We're going to place our ruler not too far from the edge. We're going to take our pencil and we're going to make a straight line. And we're going to repeat this all the way across. Let's see, let's make another line right here. Another line right here. Another line. And another line. Now we could put our ruler to the side and our pencil to the side. Remember, boys and girls, safety first when we're using our scissors. Our scissors do not like to lay down, they like to stand up. And we need our helping hand so we could hold on to the paper. We're going to start from the bottom and open, shut them, open, shut them, open, shut them, all the way to the end. Open, shut them, open, shut them, open, shut them, all the way. And we're going to repeat this with the other pencil marks that we've made. Open, shut them. And these are going to become our snake body. Okay, let's cut them. Remember, scissors standing up, not like this. Open, shut them. Very good. You're doing a very good job. I know you are. You're listening to what I'm telling you. Open, shut them, open, shut them, all the way to the end. Okay, boys and girls, now that we've cut our strips with our darker color, now we're going to use it with our lighter color. Remember, we're going to use our ruler and our pencil to make vertical lines. We start at the top and we work all the way down, making sure we use our helping hand to hold the ruler so it doesn't wiggle. And this is how we make our lines. Okay, putting our pencil down and our ruler to the side, we pick up our scissors again. They have to be standing up, not lazy scissors. Using our helping hands, we have to cut again. Open, shut them, all the way up the line. That's right. Go slowly and you'll make a perfect cut. Now that we finished cutting our strips, we're ready to cut our snake head. Take another piece of paper, fold it in two, and this way we just have to cut. Going like this. Going all the way to the end. Turn your paper around and you come back and cut again all the way to the end. Now we have our snake head. And last, we're going to use a piece of red paper to cut the tongue. This is the fun part. We just cut straight across all the way to the end. Then we start again and we cut all the way across to the end. And at the very tip, we make like if we were making the letter V. And here we have our snake tongue. We have all our pieces cut. Let's take away the pieces that we do not need. Let's put those to the side. Put our scissors away. We will not be needing them. Now bring all our pieces in front of us. Are you ready to put things together? I am. We take one piece of the darker construction paper and we fold it so both ends touch. Here's when we come to use our adhesive tape. We put a little bit on there and tape it just like that. Now we take a strip from the other color and we put it through and then we make it touch the ends. Take another piece of the adhesive tape and put it right on top. We take a strip from the darker color and put it right through the lighter color. And we put both ends together. And we Take a little bit of the adhesive tape and put it right there. So we're making a chain. Let's continue. We put the lighter color in between the darker color, make the two ends meet, and we put another piece of adhesive tape. Let's do this all the way until we use all our strips. Okay, boys and girls, we finished our snake body by putting all the strips together. Now we're going to use our snake head. The snake head's going to go through one of the ends of our body. And we're going to fold it so they're both touching. Both tips are touching. You're going to put a little bit of adhesive tape right at the end so that they're hold together. Right on top of there, you're going to put the snake's tongue with another piece of adhesive. Right on top. Make that snake tongue there. Now, what's missing? Our eyes, our snake eyes. Take your marker and put two little dots. And now we have our snake. This is our snake project. I hope you have fun making one at home. You can make it as long as you like. Have fun. Bye-bye.